Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Hermes Agent on Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC, etc. So here, to get the software or command in Google search box right there, Hermes Agent, then go on this GitHub site. Let's click this. Then here, you can get this page. So scroll down. Then you can get, this is for Linux, Mac, WSL. This you can use the command. So first, opening their terminal. So terminal and there, let's copy this command, this one for Linux, and now you need to paste it there. Paste there, thereafter press enter. So here you can see Hermes Agent installer, detecting Linux and installing manage UV into root. So here now Python 3.11 not found. So this is now installing by UV. So this term and Python installer 3 checking git. Git is not found. Attempting to install the git could not install git automatically. Please install it manually. So DNF install git. So git is now I'm installing right there. Why? So git is currently installing. Why again? Why again? So git is installed. Again, this command that I'm using. So here you can see downloading Node.js git. Here you can see git 2.47.3 font. Now this is Node.js not font. This is now installing the Node.js. So this here receiving object and this process is going on. This option free authentication login this recommended. So let's first option that's selected. Now press enter. So portal here, Firefox that's open. So let's go into this. Here you can see it here free plus super ultra this that's come there. So you can choose the plan and then after here let's go back. Now there let's click on this plus. So if I write there Hermes version, so you can see this version that install. Now if I write Hermes -h, then you can get all the helping command. To start the Hermes there, let's write this Hermes, and now this is starting here. So Hermes is now starting inside the Linux operating system. So you can see this that's come there. So here Cloudy Opus that's free, and this is there. Here you can see available tool browser. That's all. Now the next is here. You can see this after doing the subscription you can start using the Hermes. You can use the free and this here free you can access this and plus this one. So after getting the subscription you can start using the Hermes Agent into your Linux operating system. So this is the way we can do your installation of Hermes inside the Linux. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.